Hey, Tom, how long have you been helping us at Primal Eats?
I'll be going on 7 years this October.
You know, Tom, your background is what?
As an executive chef in Milwaukee, I worked for the Milwaukee Brewers in stadium operations. I ran 26 assisted living facilities, and I helped Scott here do a lot.
Tom, when I was dreaming about having a food business here, do you remember those days?
It was a dream. It had turned into a huge, huge dream now.
Behind you, Tom, is the world's largest antler chandelier that you built.
Yep.
Amazing.
Yep.
Right here, you're building these for the BP Sunset Dinners.
These are pub tables, 6-seat pub tables.
How have you made them so special? I don't see any screw heads on the tops.
Nope, the seats have no screw heads.
The seats are hand carved.
Go underneath here. There's all steel plates, so it's not only stronger, the peel is better. Every port is routed. The legs have been extended from 15 degrees to 22.5 degrees. So if you had 45, half of 22, look at it. Scott's a very bigger guy. He could sit on that end and bounce. He ain't moving these things.
Tom, you're an amazing creative guy. You helped us build this pine hall behind us and many things you're just amazing. Thank you for your work and your creativity. You're an amazing man.
It's fun.